Welcome back to my kitchen. Who doesn't love a fish taco? Come on! Well, you do, and I do. So we're gonna make fish tacos today on EasyAF. Okay, so fish tacos can be grilled, they can be fried, they can be pan fried, they can be seared, they can be any way you like. I have a grill pan here because it's summer and I'm hoping you're gonna grill outside, and they can be spiced with just about anything. So I'm gonna spice them today with my spice, my AF spice blend, Chica Adobo. It has cayenne, smoked paprika, some garlic, and some secret ingredients. So let's get seasoning. I have my grill pan. I'm going to get it hot. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cook the fish first and then take it out, and this will be where we get our tortillas warm. So of course we need lots of delicious kosher salt. Season the fish really well on both sides. You can also use a blackening spice if you like, or any other kind of spice blend. I like it a little smoky and a little spicy. So that's why I'm using this blend that I love so much. It's perfect on mahi, which is the fish that I'm using. You can also use a grouper, a snapper, you can use tuna, you can use swordfish, any beautiful firm fish works great for a fish taco. Okay, so we've got it seasoned. We can put a little tiny bit of olive oil on the actual fish, or if this is your grill outside, if you wanted to treat it with a little bit of oil and wipe it down with a rag, that works too. So we're gonna go ahead and get that on the grill, and it won't take long to cook. Sear it on both sides, and then we'll assemble. Okay, so I've got some really beautiful grill marks going. And as you notice, I've just cut them into really thick strips so that they fit right inside of that tortilla. I'm gonna make sure I grill them on all sides. And by the time I grill them on all 4 sides, they'll be ready. I like my mahi a little bit juicy in the center. I'm not gonna say medium rare, but juicy. If you were to do salmon, I would totally recommend doing medium rare, or tuna rare. Okay. Our fish is cooked and it's resting. I highly recommend always resting your proteins after you've grilled them. All right, so all we need to do now is get a little heat, a little love on these tortillas, and then we're gonna assemble. So what I have for my taco is very simple. Most tacos have very few ingredients in them. I have a shredded cabbage, which I have a little lime and salt on. I have a salsa verde here, which is tomatillo and jalapeno. And then I have a choice of cremas, just a plain old crema or a chipotle crema, which I just took chipotles in the can and some of that sauce that they're in and mixed it with the sour cream, cilantro, and lime. That's it. If you notice authentic Mexican restaurants where you get your best, most favorite tacos, there's very little garnish on it. You can go crazy, add whatever you like, but I like to keep it simple, get to taste the fish, keep it fresh. So we just get those tortillas a little bit grill marks. Use your fingers, use your hands, use the tongs if you're not a chefy like me. And then we're gonna assemble. Look at that. Sometimes the tortilla will souffle a little bit when you cook it. That's what, always cook your tortilla. Okay, so in goes the fish. I like to put the fish down first. Sometimes you'll notice also that in Mexican restaurants, they'll do 2 tortilla to absorb all that juice, but we don't need that today. I'm gonna go ahead with a little bit of the chipotle crema on top. I like it on both, a little bit of spice, a little bit of creaminess, and then the cabbage. This is the most fun part, and this is why people love making tacos, because it's fun for everybody. Make your own adventure, put out all the taco fixings, and let everybody make their own. I'm gonna put on the salsa verde. I'm keeping this pretty green, pretty fresh, kind of California style. And then cilantro, of course. And then I always like to serve it with a little lime wedge. If if you want that extra squeeze of lime, or you can squeeze it over for your guests. And these adorable little taco holders make it even more fun. Go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and give that a squeeze, or you can just serve that on the side. Should we take a bite? No. Yes. Fish tacos. They're easy AF with a delicious spice blend. I'm going to take a bite. I'm going to take a bite. Okay. I got the approval on the cameraman said I could take a bite. Oh my God. Holy moly. These are so delicious and they're easy AF. Happy summer.